Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Prem Kumar Bishwakarma. I am from Bhojpur, Nepal. I am 37 years old. My
Okay.
qualification is 10 pass.
Are you married?
No, ma'am.
No, unmarried. Okay. Your education qualification?
10 pass.
10 pass. Okay. Do you have education certificate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what is your working experience?
My work experience kitchen help, assistant cook,
Assistant cook. Okay. In Nepal or other country?
Qatar.
In
For
Qatar. Okay. How many years did you stay in Qatar?
5 years. Ma'am.
5 years. Okay. And what are your duties there as a assistant cook?
Assistant cook is cooking, service, mm, cleaning.
Okay. Why do you want to go to Romania?
Bright future, earn money, family support.
Okay. Do you have any friends or relatives in Romania?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. In which position you are interested to apply for Romania?
Kitchen helper.
Kitchen helper. Okay. And how many hours you work per day?
12 hours.
12 hours. Okay. And what about days off? Holiday per week? How many holidays did you get?
1 day.
1 day holiday.
Yes.
Okay. Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If you are selected, how many years do you want to stay in Romania?
4 to 5 years.
Okay. Can you show us the demo of cutting the vegetables?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, which cut is this?
This is chicken.
Siphon. Okay, thank
This is
you.
fine chop.
Fine chop?
Yes.
Okay, right. Thank you.